Hey everybody! It's been so long since I did a vlog. So first of all, happy 2024. Guys, I have so much to update you on and I honestly don't even know where to start from. So I'm just gonna start with a couple of new things that are happening. Number one is that we have completely relaunched our website. It's a brand new website and I hope you love it. So definitely go check it out and give me your feedback. You know, like I'm the type of person that needs feedback. If I don't have a feedback from you, I can never get better, right? And my aim is always to become better, always grow, and I love feedback. So be as honest as you can. I'll leave the links below so you can check it out and let me know what you think. Plus, if you want access to some freebies, you'll be able to get them there. So we've been working a lot behind the scenes and my main focus this year is actually going to be mainly on growing my community on Cake Club because it's something that I've been passionate about. You know, I love cakes and I love designing them and you're going to learn so many different skills. It's a lot more affordable for a lot of people instead of doing a course. And you also get new cake every single month, unique completely. Like I said, I design the cakes, I go to all the beautiful restaurants, I try everything, and then I come home and I'm like, right, we need to make this, and I just draw it on the paper and I create this beautiful cake. So that's what you're gonna do. And if you wanna sell them or you just wanna do them for fun as a hobby, you know, it's just perfect. So we're going to be focusing on that. I'm also taking a little break from launching online courses. Now, I don't know if it's going to be 6 months or 9 months, but so far the plan is to launch my next course in October. I know that's really far away for a lot of you. But as you know, it's just, I've been working a lot for the last 11 years. For those of you who have been with me for so long, you know how much I have worked. 11 years I've been doing my cake business and it's been fantastic. It's been amazing, but I'm also a little bit tired and my life is changing. I am changing and I'm thinking about moving into different directions. So that requires a lot of my energy. And so I'm still going to be doing the classes. I'm just taking a little break while I figure out which direction I'm going into. And of course, as you know, I'm writing my book. In fact, I have finished writing my book, but I'm adding little final touches to it. And it's going to be officially launching in November not next year, this year. I completely forgot that we're in 2024 already. So this November, the book is going to be completely launched. And I just needed a bit more time to really make sure it's perfect, just the way I want it to be. And because so many things have changed, I'm changing and adding a couple more chapters to the book. So I am really transforming in every aspect of my life at the moment. You know, my whole business, my whole career, everything that I've been doing for, you know, the last 11 years is changing. And it's kind of exciting, but at the same time, it's also a little bit nerve-wracking and I'm scared because again, it's unknown, it's new. I'm kind of used to that, but still, it is a little bit like scary. And especially because I have so many different areas that I can potentially go into. You know, I'm thinking potentially starting mentorship or coaching or go into the dating or psychology or teach people on business. There's so many areas that I want to explore and see what I personally like and what I can, you know, give out back to the audience, what I can help people with, because I have achieved many things in my life and I feel very grateful and happy. And I kind of want to help others now to do the same, you know. So it's really important to me. That's my boyfriend coming. So there are many changes that are happening right now. And then of course on my personal front as well, there's been a lot of new changes. So yeah, things are changing, moving, figuring lots of things out, and I'll definitely share more about that because it's a very exciting chapter of my life. And yeah, so I just wanted to update you on everything and let you know what's been happening with the business and me. In terms of a lot of the questions, people also ask me about my health and like what's going on with my gut. Now, it's kind of up and down. Like my gut's actually, like I said before, it's 90% healed. I'm not doing full carnivore at the moment. I haven't been full carnivore for about a year now and a half, but I'm still eating relatively carnivore, you would say. I do still like my fish and meat and seafood and whatever, but I've been eating all sorts of things and really not following that plan. I do see a difference. I do see a difference that, you know, I'm not as like 100% on my energy level. So I'm planning to transfer back to carnivore and eat more of that lifestyle. But at the moment, my life has kind of just turned upside down. And so I don't really have a full-on balance. which I'm hoping to get soon. And yeah, for anybody that's thinking about going carnivore, if you have gut issues, I definitely recommend it. You just have to do strict carnivore, because if you don't do it properly, it's not going to work for you. So it has to be like super strict. Okay. I'm also going to probably start a new YouTube channel where I will be doing more vlogs like this and sharing my personal experience, business advice, life advice, real estate advice, everything that I've been doing in the last, 15 years. But I will announce that closer to the time. So like I said, a lot of changes are happening right now. Everything is a bit crazy. But it's in a good way crazy, right? So it's like good changes, good transformations. And to be honest, I feel that maybe that's how it's supposed to be. We live in cycles. It's been now 10, 11 years since I've started my passionate thing about food, and now it's maybe like a new transformation for me to start something completely different and still keep, parts of our food and cooking side. Yeah, so guys, any questions you want me to answer? I don't know if I've covered everything. There's just a lot going on. I'm sorry that I have not come on sooner. It's just been going on a lot, and I've also on my personal life, I've met someone amazing, and yeah, so we've been spending a lot of time together. We're doing long distance at the moment, so it's been a little bit tricky, but the plan is to eventually live together very, very soon. So it's kind of been taking a lot of my time, but I am very, very happy, and it's honestly been the most incredible journey so far, and I will definitely share more about that very, very soon. So yeah. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know, send me emails, reply under this video, any questions you have, and I will now be going weekly. I'll try and update you weekly vlogs on what's happening and keep you up to date. I know a lot of you asking questions about Mexico. I'm still living in Mexico most of the time, so I'm now based between Mexico and USA, because I'm living kind of here and there now. So yeah. But the plan is, if you have any questions about Mexico, about buying real estate, property in here as well, do ask me anything. All right. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for staying with me. Lots of love. See you very soon.